Hey guys, it's Ashley. So today's video is going to be a glowy and fresh, kind of natural makeup tutorial. I literally do this makeup all the time, especially recently. I just love a really nice, fresh and dewy makeup look. I definitely prefer a more glowy and dewy look rather than like a matte look. So to me, this is a natural look. This is more of an everyday look for me, but this is coming from someone that wears a full glammed face of makeup pretty much every day. By the way guys, I'm so sorry that this video is probably really boring and it's going to be music over me doing my makeup. But right now I'm currently sick, so my nose is super stuffed up and my throat. My throat is so sore, so it's really hard to talk. But I didn't want to not upload anything today, so I figured that I would just go ahead and do a quick little makeup tutorial where I didn't have to talk because again my throat is just so sore and it's so painful to talk. But anyways, enough of me talking, let's just go ahead and get into the video.
Candy, she's sweet like candy in my veins. Baby, you know I'm dying for a taste. And every night my mind is running around her. Then it's getting louder and louder and louder. Baby, you're like lightning in a bottle. I can't let you go now that I've got it. All I need is to be struck by your electric love, love. Your electric love, love. Drown me, you make my heart beat like the rain. Surround me, hold me deep beneath your wave. And every night my mind is running around her. Then speaking louder and louder and louder. Baby, you're like lightning in a bottle. I can't let you go now that I got it. All I need is to be struck by your electric love, love. Your electric love, love. Baby, you're like lightning in a bottle. I can't let you go now that I've got it. All I need is to be struck by your electric love. I sit here and fight my tears, 'cause I don't wanna cry. I cover my eyes, I conceal my cry. So I keep wishing
Alright guys, so that was the video. I really hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up and let me know what you thought in the comments. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button before we leave, and also thank you guys so much for 600 subscribers. I am dead. Also, hi, I never mentioned the camera quality. I got a new camera. I completely forgot to mention that in the intro, but yeah, I got a new camera, so if you notice the new quality, then that is it. Don't forget to go follow me on my Instagrams, they will be on the screen. It's ItsAshleeNicole and ItsAshleeNicole YT. I'm active on both of those accounts all the time, so you should definitely go follow me there. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up, open the park pot.